So I started seeing Dr. Oob when I was 57 years old. So it's been a couple of years now, and I have to say it's the best decision I've ever made in my life. After years of not eating healthy, not doing things, not exercising, not working out, and just, I guess, abuse, I was overweight, had so many autoimmune issues and unhealthy habits. So the best thing about coming to Dr. Oob was they started from the very beginning with getting back to the basics of why I felt like this, why I looked like this, why I had these uncontrollable habits, like the excessive sugar. I would just think, oh, I just can't stop eating sugar. Well, my body had taken over because of years of eating too much of the sugar. Dr. Oob walked me through all of the functions that lead to these symptoms of years and years of abuse and not taking care of yourself. And then Aubrey has been amazing at following up with me, walking with me hand in hand, literally through this path, and being patient with me, telling me the same thing over and over and over, but never in an angry or irritated way, just working with me. They have been amazing here, the entire staff. I've visited with Donna. The administrative staff has been great. They're always eager to help. Aiden is great. When I call, she walks me through whatever I need. She's patient too, because I know sometimes when I get on the phone, I probably start talking a little bit too much, but she's always very kind about it. And they've just been wonderful. They've made me feel like a person, not just a number, not just an insurance ticket to getting some money from the insurance company and getting me out the door. I've been a person, I've been someone they care about and they love. I mean, I feel like I'm loved here. I've never felt like that anywhere. So I feel like they've walked me from the beginning of this process to where I am now. I'm down 65 pounds. I'm off every single medication I was on, which was about 11 medications. I'm on 2 that I needed that I never got, which is progesterone and an aspirin. So that's not really medication in my opinion. Their needs are like supplements. And then of course, with the help of the supplements I do need and eating correctly, finding out that I'm allergic to a lot of foods that I had no clue about. It has been a wonderful, life-changing experience, and I'm glad to say my husband is now coming. He's 65, and we're working on getting him more healthy. He's been a really healthy person for someone his age. He's never had any medicines, but they're working on things to keep him that way as we both age together in this process. So I can't recommend this office and Dr. Oob and Aubrey and the entire staff anymore than you can imagine. I think they're all just wonderful.